Yes, blessed. It's your boy Marquis Saint. Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready for some boom, baby? Boom! Rise and shine. It's your Saints Addiction morning motivation time. Except for this time, it's Sunday, and I'm building a website. Now, I've already built 2 websites really fast, but I was like, let me go live and show people just how easy it is with Sight in an Hour and how fast it is, because literally it's Sight in seconds thanks to Intersect.ai, which is our team, and I want to build something out for you. So I need a website real quick, right? How do I turn this thing around? Here we go. And if you go to sightinanhour.com, when you go to sightinanhour.com, you can come over here. You can try an example if you want. This is just a template of like random websites. Like there's one for like a Vegas tattoo parlor, just to show you an example. But I want you to go in here and actually build something out. So you only have 3 questions to answer. This is going to be fast. Watch this go down. Watch me page down, page down, page down. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. What's your business called? This time I'm doing languages on shirts. Your boy's in Finland right now, so we'll just do, let me flip it real quick so I can show you. I can type it faster. Languages on shirts, right? And tab over. Give a brief description about your business. Pretty simple. Any and all languages on shirts. What languages do you speak? Right? I'm gonna do this. My shirt speaks for itself. Right? This is my mother language. I love these words, and then I love these words from my mother tongue. How about that? That must sound a little weird, but what else do we got for languages on shirts? Your favorite foreign curse words, slang, and special terms only you know. Can I say that? You know what I mean? Special terms that you know. Anyway, special words that you use in your home language. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm typing this out. Pretty simple stuff. What products do you sell? Well, shit, I'm selling languages on shirts, right? Pretty simple stuff. Languages on shirts. I'll show it to you after I type it up. Languages on shirts. And I want you to time me. So I'll just show you just how fast this is. Hey, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Watch your boy Marquis say Intersect.ai. Languages on shirts. Let's say language. I'm not even spelling language right. Language shirt. Language shirts. Let's see, language apparel. It's asking me what I'm selling. So language apparel. Cool words. What else do we want to put in here? Foreign words. Foreign, it's not foreign to you, foreign words and hats. Okay, so I typed it all out, pretty simple stuff. You just have to ask, what is your business called? Give a brief description of your business. And then Mr. Jackie Branch, no, bro, they never gave me my rent money back. It's stolen from me, bro. Watch this though, real quick. So this one's what my products are. So I hit next. Right down here. Hold on. Let me show you how fast it is. We're at 10:20 right now. So I'm going to just put in my email real quick. Let's just spin it around. Your boy Marquis Saint, Saints Addiction. Let's put it in. And of course, your Instagram, saints@gmail.com. And then Instagram is, of course, at languages on shirts. So here's the cool part. So it's 10:20. We'll just still call it 10:20 because it's that fast. You're going to hit this next button right here. 2 questions right here. It's not even really a question. It's just data. And it's going to ask you to make some magic. This is where I want you to see how fast this goes. So site in an hour, right up here, make some magic. Let's go. So 10:20. Actually, I'll hit the button when it starts at 10:21. I'm in Finland, bro. This is Finland. Check it out. Oh, they took down the flag, but I'm outside Finland, so I'm just getting shit done, getting it going. Working on these websites, bro. Someone's got to get shit done. Yachty, what's up, bro? Thank you for watching. Okay, 10:21. Here we go. Hits make some magic. So make some magic. Okay, it's going to generate content. This is cool. Generating content. This is going to be so fast. This actually might just be a short on my YouTube, which I just hit 1,500 subscribers, by the way, which is pretty fucking cool. So we're generating a structure here. You can see it kind of fades in color and does this kind of, what do you call it, gradient. And that's it. Not even a minute. It's in seconds. 10:21. You're going to go hit view. Check this out, bro. Your boy Marquis Saints Addiction is now sight in seconds. Look at this. Where are the words? Where your pride? It literally prints it all out for you. Look at this thing. It has an explanation. I'm moving a little too fast. Look at that. There's welcome to Languages on Shirts, where we celebrate the beauty and diversity of languages from around the world. It literally wrote all that for me. Found images of people looking at dictionaries. Welcome to Languages on Shirts. Like there's like a Scrabble image. You know, it built this whole site without me. Like, you know what I mean? Show your love for language. Like, it just came up with all this. This is literally sight in seconds. So your boy Marquis explore. You already know me. Custom design collaborations. Let's go. Outer space. Let's go. More words. I didn't choose any of these images too. Just found them randomly. So literally scroll through all the way down to the bottom, literally just like that. And that is literally sight in seconds. You just fill in your information. I go over here and I say, save and publish. And you guys too can literally go to that new site. While I'm on the phone, I'm gonna go grab the URL right now. And then I'm gonna post it into my GoDaddy because you need, you know what I mean? I gotta launch the thing. So just so you know how fast this goes, literally, let's go to Languages on Shirts, www.languagesonshirts.com. Boom, baby, boom. Right there. It'll say parked or something from GoDaddy, right? It'll just be, yeah, GoDaddy, we're parking this for you. You know, this domain is registered because it's registered to me. Why not? So I go over to my site in an hour. Look, I got guns on shirts, bro. You ain't ready. I got birds on shirts, psychedelic hoodies, posters in an hour, women's workout tanks, Saints brand, Saints Addiction, dogs on shirts, Las Vegas Ritual, Intersect.ai, beards on shirts, beer on shirts, frisbee addicts, politics on shirts, fish on shirts, butts on shirts, banner in an hour, print in an hour, zodiacs on shirts, everything on shirts, home small, Saints giving, video in an hour, reliable models, calm CBDs, languages on shirts, app in an hour, fish on shirts. What else are we missing? Doesn't want to go down. Birthdays on shirts, porn on shirts, coffee on shirts, scripture on shirts, billionaire blunt, love on shirts, mostly Saints, and shirts for babies, weed on shirts, lyrics on shirts, motivated juice, photos on shirts, cats on shirts, photos on blankets, Saint storage, cards on shirts, and men's workout tanks, all built by this system. All I'm going to do is just go over here, grab languages on shirts. I just need this little URL right here. I click on this button right here. It sends me all the way to the bottom. You see that? That's my site code. If I place this right here, let me copy it right here. I got to post it in, but post it right here into like a blank tab. Watch it hit. There it is. That's going to be site in an hour right there. So literally my site is just developed right in front of you guys. Wear your words with pride. Like it's all made right in front of you. And I just literally go over here. I already had it set up with my domain forwarding. I just pop that in here. Bink. Right there. Page down. Save. And now, ladies and gentlemen, success. It should say success. Success. We now have languages on shirts. So you can go right here. Now, it says siteinanhour.com up here, right? Now we want to go over to languages on shirts. Remember when it said GoDaddy and it wouldn't allow us? Well, check it out. Let me just hit how fast this is. This was what, 1020? We did this under in 5 minutes. Let's go ahead, languages. Oh, it hasn't populated yet. But when it does, when finally it comes off the, let me try this. Let me see if I can just do it myself. But when it does off the satellite and finally registers, oh, it doesn't want to go just yet, but give it a sec, and then that's what it is. It's Inasec.ai, and then you can check me on it instantly. As soon as the server talks to the satellite, you literally have a new website. So that's what I've been doing. You know, site in an hour, site in seconds. This is what it takes to stay inspired. So literally just did 2 different websites in about 5 minutes, and I was like, let me go live and show people just how fast it is to do these things. And it's not hard. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. We made the system pretty easy, but you'd have to give it a try. Anybody that wants to get a website or knows somebody needs a website, literally you could build this on a bus headed to your event. So it's all happening. Thank you for watching. It's populating. Anybody has a different language that they speak, like Finnish, Portuguese, Spanish, you name it, send it over to me and I'll print your favorite word on the shirt. And you can go check me because I'm still checking it over here at Languages on Shirts. I want this thing to populate with me on my live. But yeah, 5-minute website, like literally it just, I keep trying to refresh it, but that's how fast it is.